Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. As we all know that there is still a pending confirmation for acquiring the 114 multi-role combat aircrafts, and we are not yet sure if Indian Air Force will go for any foreign manufacturers to make these fighters. They might also be going for complete indigenous ones. With so many pending orders with HAL, which is the backbone of fighter jets manufacturing, I don't think an indigenous one would be a possible solution as of now. Due to this, we still have a hope that Indian Air Force would be looking for a foreign company like Dassault Aviation of France, Sweden's Saab, Russia's Sukhoi and MiG, or United States Boeing and Lockheed Martin. Dassault Aviation is ready to make sure 70% of the assembly line for Rafale fighters fall under the Make in India with full transfer of technology. But which other company is ready for transfer of technology and various other conditions which Indian Air Force would be keeping is something which we need to wait and watch. Now let's not discuss anything about which contender would be winning the race, since this video is not for that purpose. We have already discussed enough about the contenders in one of my previous videos, for which I have provided the video link in the top right I button and also in the details section of this particular video. Here, let's discuss exclusively the offers which is coming from Dassault Aviation of France. Looks like France is taking all possible steps to offer another batch of Rafale fighters to India, and this time the variant is said to be the Rafale F4. The variant which India has chosen previously was the Rafale F3R standard. So what is special about the F4 variant of Rafale? It is said that the upcoming Rafale F4 variant will have upgraded radar sensors, the front sector optronics, the helmet mounted display capabilities, and not just that, it will also be having a new set of weapons like Mica NG air-to-air missile and 1000 kg AASM air-to-ground modular weapon. F4 will include a new prognosis and diagnostic aid system, which is going to introduce the predictive maintenance capabilities. Other maintenance optimization features are scheduled, particularly with solutions based on big data and artificial intelligence. Another major change which will be available in the Rafale F4 is the new engine control unit, which is also known as engine control module. The engine control units are very vital, which controls a series of actuators on an internal combustion engine to ensure optimal engine performance. As per Dassault Aviation, the new variant of Rafale, which is being offered to India, will help to remain at a world-class level so that Indian Air Force can carry out all their missions with optimum efficiency. The validation of F4 standard is planned for 2024, with some functions being available as of 2022. But all these dates are tentative for now. So let's hope Indian Air Force makes a good decision and decides on the exact company and model for the 114 fighter jet planes. Maybe they should go for a mix-up of various models from each company to have variety and also to avoid depending on one single country for everything. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section.